I have not been able to do a winged liner. And the reason I have trouble is because I have hooded eyes. And so I do the wing and then I open my eye and this hood right here drops down. And rather than having a nice straight wing, I end up with a Nike swoosh. It's not cute. Hey all, Tina here. Welcome back to Beautiful Journey. I am almost done with my makeup today and I thought I would take the opportunity to do a quick review of the IMethod Eyeliner Stamp. Initially, I couldn't decide between the eyebrow stamp and the eyeliner stamp, but I've had such a hard time doing a winged liner that I figured it probably wasn't going to work anyway, and so I chose the eyebrow. And then they asked if I wanted to try the eyeliner stamp as well, so I did. And this is not a first impression. I have been playing with this a little bit because, like I said, I have not been able to do a winged liner. And the reason I have trouble is because I have hooded eyes. And when I close my eyes, it's smooth, right? And so I do the wing and then I open my eye and this hood right here drops down. And rather than having a nice straight wing, I end up with a Nike swoosh. It's not cute. So I saw my friend Andy try this and she also has hooded eyes a little bit. And so I thought, well, okay, I'll try it and see how it goes. In the package, you actually get two pens, one for the right eye and one for the left eye. And each one has a liner pen on one end and the stamp on the other. So I've been playing with this a little bit. Let me make sure I have the, okay, so this is the right side. And I am going to make sure I have it right side up. You want the fat end, obviously, toward your eye, going skinnier as you go out. I do not close my eye when I do this because if I close my eye, when I open it, the hood's going to cover it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my eye open, line this up with my upper line, and stamp. Now, if I close my eye, you'll see that it skips in the middle, but I'm going to fix that. Okay, so let me put the lid on here. So I'm going to use my 10X mirror and come in really close. And I'm going to put the liner right along my lash line, out to the outside. Then I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to connect the bottom of this with the outer edge and then the top as well. And there's a little bit of a skip because of my creepy crinkly eyes. And when I close it, it actually looks like a wing. And I'm so happy because this is the best that I've ever been able to do a wing. I've been practicing, but I still have a little bit of trouble doing it on the left, but I'm going to give it a try. So the thing I have the most trouble with is getting them at the same angle. So let's see what I can do here. I'm going to line this up with the outer part of my eye as it slides down there and stamp. And I think I might have them kind of go. This is just a little kitten liner. It's not a huge long wing, which this is fine for me. All right, let's see if I can make this one look like the other one. Here's the thing, if you don't have crepey eyes like I do and the hood fold on the outside, you aren't going to have to do these tiny little strokes and fill in the missing piece because it's going to stamp the whole thing for you and you can just go whoosh, like you are used to doing. But if I do that, I get tons of skips. So I have to go a little at a time. And I think I have more trouble with this eye than the other one because this one is more hooded, I think. I'm going to go away for just a minute, finish my liner and my lashes, and I'll be back to talk a little bit more. So I'm back and I used the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liner in the waterline and then the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume, the purple one, for my lashes. I realize it's not perfect. I think this one's a little smaller than this one. I'm still working on it, but it's better than any winged liner I've been able to do. And that I think is really exciting. So I'm going to show you looking this way so you can see better. And then I'll go this way and close my eyes. I purposely did a lighter look today so that the eyeliner would really show up. If you're curious what I used the Alter Ego Shadow Kiss on my eyes. It is the dupe for the Natasha Denona Glam palette, and it's really good. I really like it. On my lips, I have Maybelline Rosy Risk, and on my cheeks, I have the L'Oreal True Match C34 Tender Rose. And that's pretty much the color products I've used today. The liner is matte. It is not waterproof. I had used it one day and my eyes were watering because my contacts needed to be changed, and it did kind of rub off in the outer corner where I was dabbing at my eyes. So I kind of wish that it were waterproof, but I haven't had trouble with it coming off other days. It was just that one day my eye just watered and watered and watered and watered. The product paper that comes with it lists all of their socials, but it also has their 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you aren't happy for any reason, you just contact them and they will refund or replace the product, no questions asked, and you don't even have to send the old one back. They do recommend that you store them horizontally so that the ink flow is even to both ends. You know, typically I like to store a liquid liner with the liner pen part down, but these you're going to want to store horizontal. So yeah, that's the IMethod Eyeliner Stamp, and I think I give it my stamp of approval. Okay, that was really cheesy. I'm going to keep playing with it. I'm hoping to get better at it, but it's the only way I've been able to do any kind of a wing at all except with shadows. So these are fun. I will have these linked in the description box below to Amazon. It is an Amazon affiliate link. It's not an IMethod link, but IMethod did provide a code that you can get 10% off of your purchase. If you decide to try them, then I hope you'll come back and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.